Look at this. The next question is, if f dash of 2 is 2 and f double dash of 2 is 1, then limit x tends to 2, 2x square minus 4 times f dash of x divided by x minus 2 is option A 4, option B 0, option C 2 and option D is infinite. F double dash of 2 is 1. Now look at this, dear students. F dash of 2 is 2. If you put x is equal to 2, what happens? 2 into 2 square, 2 into 4, 8, minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 minus 8 by 2 minus 2 will get 0 by 0 form. If you are getting 0 by 0 form, then what we have to do is, dear students, we have to use L'Hospital's rule to solve this problem. I have already explained while talking about limits. What is that rule? Differentiate numerator and denominator individually. Using L'Hospital's rule, what we can say is, let me call this as I. So I is equal to differentiate numerator, what happens? 4x. Of course, limit must be written once again. Limit x tends to 2. So differentiate numerator, what happens? We will get 4x minus 4 times differentiation of f dash of x is f double dash of x. Do you agree with me? Divided by x minus 2 differentiation is 1. That is equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 times f double dash of x. What is f double dash of 2? F double dash of 2 is equal to 1. So we will get 4 into 2, because limit x tends to 2. 4 into 2 minus 4 times f double dash of 2 is given as 1. So 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is what? It is simply 4. Therefore, option A is correct for this. Y is equal to A e power mx plus B e power minus mx. Then y2 is, we have 4 options that we will see later. What is y1, dear students? Y1 is given by differentiation of y. A e power mx differentiation is m A e power mx. Is that correct? Plus B into e power minus mx differentiation is minus m B e power minus mx. Do you agree with me? That is equal to, we can write it as m into A e power mx minus B e power minus mx. Is that correct? So we got that as A e power mx plus B e power minus mx. Then what is y2, dear students? Y2 is given by, keep m constant, differentiate A e power mx, we will get m A e power mx minus, we have B e power minus mx, differentiation of e power minus mx is minus m B e power minus mx, this will become plus. Concentrate properly, this minus will become plus because of this m, minus m. So that is equal to what? That is equal to, we have one m here and one more m, we can take m common, so that this will become m square. M square into A e power mx plus B e power minus mx. What is A e power mx plus B e power minus mx? That is equal to y. So that is equal to m square into y. M square into y, that means to say option C is correct. I hope, dear students, you are following this. y is sine of x plus 9 by cos x, then what is y dash? And before that, write this as sine of x plus 9 into secant of x. Y dash is given by sine of x plus 9, write as it is. Sine of x plus 9 into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x plus secant x, write as it is. Differentiation of sine of x plus 9 is cos of x plus 9. Is that correct? Cos of x plus 9. Now, what is y dash of x at x is equal to 0? Therefore, y dash at x is equal to 0 is given by sine of 0 plus 9. We will get it as sine 9 into secant of 0 into tan of 0. Secant of 0 is 1, tan of 0 is 0 plus secant 0. What is secant 0? Secant 0 is 1 into cos of 0 plus 9 is cos of 9. So 1 into cos 9, that is equal to cos 9. Therefore, option A is correct because this is equal to 0 plus cos 9, that is equal to cos 9. Therefore, that clearly says option A is correct. F of x is sin square x by 1 plus cot x plus cos square x by 1 plus tan x. Then what is f dash of pi by 4? Root 3, 1 by root 3, 0 and minus root 3 are the options. First rewrite f of x, dear student. F of x is, you can write cot x as cos x over sin x. That sin x goes to numerator giving sin cube x. Is that correct? Sin cube x divided by cot x by sin x, this sin x will come here. Sin x plus cos x. Is that correct? Plus, write tan x as sin x by cos x. That cos x goes to numerator, leaving cos cube x in the numerator and sin x plus cos x in the denominator. Is that correct? Because this is sin x by cos x, you will get cos x plus sin x. You can write it as sin x plus cos x. Is that correct? What is that equal to? That is equal to sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin x plus cos x. You can see here this difference. A cube plus b cube is given by a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That means to say sin cube x plus cos cube x, you can write it as sin x plus cos x into what should I write? Sin square x plus cos square x minus sin x into cos x. So that means to say this is using the formula a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square plus ab a square minus ab plus b square divided by sin x plus cos x. So anything cancels, dear students? Yes, this cancels. What is sin square x plus cos square x? Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So now what we will get? F of x is equal to what happens? F of x is equal to, see, we will get 1 minus sin x cos x. 1 minus sin x cos x. Now what is f dash of x? So let me rewrite f of x first. So f of x you can multiply and divide by 2. We will get f of x as, f of x is 1 minus 1 by 2 sin 2x. This implies f dash of x as what? F dash of x is equal to differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2 divided by 2 is there already and we have minus sign outside. 2 cancels. Cos minus cos 2x. Now when x is equal to pi by 4, what we will get? Minus cos 2 times pi by 4. So that is at x is equal to pi by 4, what we will get is at x is equal to pi by 4, f dash of pi by 4 is given by, so f dash of pi by 4 is equal to cos of 2 times pi by 4, that is equal to cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is what? 0. Therefore, option C is correct.